Hello guys, in this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to open a Monzo account in the UK. So go ahead and open your web browser and type monzo.com. After typing on monzo.com, you can see the sign up button. However, we're going to be tapping on sign up. That is going to ask you to submit an email address you'd like to use to apply. So we're going to put our email address there and tap on submit. And then it says finish on the mobile app. So you need to have the mobile app to actually sign up. Then it says you need to have your smartphone with an internet connection, a valid ID such as a passport or a UK driver's license, and around 5 to 10 minutes of your time. Then there are some steps to follow right here. The first thing we're going to need to do is to download the app, and then on the app we're going to choose I'm new to Monzo in the application. Then you're going to use the same email you've used to log in. So we're going to go ahead and tap on download the app. It takes us here and we're going to download it on our app store. Now, after the app is downloaded, you're going to tap on open. And then as we mentioned before, you're going to tap on I'm new to Monzo. Then you're going to put in your email address, tap on join, and then there are some other steps where you need to put in your personal details. After putting in this easy to follow personal details and having your ID card available, you will be able to open your Monzo account successfully. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.